Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Zafira Aliafifa, and today I would like to do a presentation about quantitative data analysis. So, let me start my presentation today. The first topic will be discussed about definition. Data analysis is the process of organizing and sorting data into patterns, categories, and basic description units so that names can be found and work hypotheses can be formulated as suggested by the data. So, there are two types of quantitative analysis. First is descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistical analysis is statistics that are used to analyze data by describing the data that has been collected as it is without intending to make general conclusions. This analysis technique is commonly used for exploratory research. Example, wanting to know the public's perception of the increase in fuel prices. Descriptive statistical analysis techniques that can be used include first, presentation of data in tabular form of frequency distribution and cross-tabulation or cross-tab. Second, presentation of data in visual form such as histogram, polygons, ogives, charts, and diagrams. And third is measures of central tendency using median mode. Fourth, calculation of site size, quartiles, deciles, and percentiles. And the last, calculations of the size of the spread, standard deviation, variance, range, quartile deviation, mean deviations, etc. And the second type of quantitative analysis is inferential statistics. Usually, this analysis takes a certain sample from a large population, and from the results of the analysis of the sample generalized to the populations. If in descriptive statistics it only describes data, then in this inferential statistics, there have been attempts to draw conclusions and make decisions based on the analysis that has been done. Based on the type of analysis, inferential statistics are divided into two parts. First is correlational analysis. It's a statistical analysis that seeks to find a relationship or influence between two or more variables. In this correlational analysis, the variables are divided into two parts. There are independent and dependent variables. Example, the influence of television media broadcasts on children's interest in learning. And the second is comparative analysis. Is a statistical analysis technique that aims to compare the conditions between two or more groups. This technique use is also quite a lot. The use of these analysis techniques depends on the type of data scale and the numbers of groups. Example, the difference in service quality between shop A and B. And there are two groups of statistical analysis in terms of its parameters. First is parametric statistics, statistical analysis in which the test determines certain conditions regarding the shape of the distributions of the parameter or population. And the second, non-parametric statistics. Non-parametric statistics are statistical analyses that do not specify these requirements. Okay, that's all for my presentation today. Before I end my presentation, I would like to apologize if during my presentation there are some mistakes, direct or indirectly. I ended with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.